In this DIY tutorial, I'll show you how to take a budget stainless steel flask and transform it with vibrant color engraving using the xTool F1 Ultra laser. So first things first, you can't color engrave a stainless steel flask without the perfect design file, because nobody will want a blank canvas. So DIY color engraving hack. I've locked in my xTool F1 Ultra blue diode cleanup pass with the laser setting to dotting as the engraving method. 200 dot duration, 65% power, 350 dpi. 3 swift passes in your budget stainless steel flask comes out sparkle clean and completely warp free. Stage 2, Flask Seating 101. Slide your budget stainless steel flask into the xTool F1 Ultra. I have a jig on deck for rock solid grip, but you can use Rotary attachment, paperclip hack, even your grandma's cookie cutter. Use whatever keeps that flask from doing the cha-cha mid-engrave. Size matters, well, for color engraving at least. Switch your xTool F1 Ultra to curved material mode. I dial my design to a crisp 60mm width and feed in a measurement using my max sizes. No error means your budget stainless steel flask is ready for a seamless engraving wrap. If you hit an out of bounds warning, just shrink the artwork a couple of millimeters and retry. Now it's time for the cleanup pass. You need a blank canvas after all. So I turn off all my layers by selecting the toggle at the top. Then I select the cleanup pass and only enable that. Make sure all the other layers shows ignored. I know I said 3 passes, but I seriously underestimated how cheap this flask was. The paint layer on this was shockingly thin, so I cleaned up great with only 2 passes. If you don't see nice bright metal after 2 passes on your tumblers, keep to running 3 layers. Now that this is done, we can get to the fun stuff. I again select everything and turn all layers on. Now select only the cleanup layer and turn that off. Make sure not to move the cup. Next to process, select the 3 dots and select by layer. Now you are ready to send it. Go ahead and hit that green button. Patience may be a virtue, but in this DIY color engraving tutorial we're on fast forward. Watch the fiber engraving pass whiz by and unveil the jaw-dropping finish on our budget stainless steel flask. Laser engraved in full color with the xTool F1 Ultra. Love what you see? Drop a comment, share your flask flips, and let's build a community of laser engraving pros. Till next time, cheers.